your guide to the Ireland student visa in 2026. We'll break down every step for a successful application. Start by exploring which Ireland student visa type fits your study plans and check that you meet the basic eligibility requirements. Visit the official INIS website. Read the guidelines for full-time study visas and note the requirements for your chosen course. Prepare your core documents, valid passport, acceptance letter, recent photos, proof of previous qualifications, and your visa application form. Gather financial proof, updated bank statements, scholarship letters, or sponsor letters showing enough funds for tuition and living expenses in Ireland. Write a personal statement explaining why you chose Ireland, your study goals, and plans after graduation. Keep it clear and honest. Purchase private medical insurance covering your stay in Ireland. Print your policy and payment confirmation for your application. Scan and upload all supporting documents. Check file formats and document clarity as per the INIS instructions before submission. Carefully fill out your student visa application form online. Double-check for errors, ensuring all details are accurate and match your documents. Pay the non-refundable visa application fee online. Save and print the official receipt, as it's required during processing. Prepare for your visa interview by reviewing your study plan and paperwork. Practice clear, concise answers to possible questions in English. Visa processing times can range from 4 to 8 weeks. Check your email regularly for updates or requests from the embassy. Avoid common errors, submit complete documents, use the latest application forms, and answer questions honestly to prevent delays or rejections. Once approved, organize your visa documents and start preparing for travel. Double-check your entry requirements for arrival in Ireland. With careful preparation, your Irish study dream is within reach. Like and subscribe for more study abroad guides and tips.